In this video, we're going to go over how to use ElevenLabs Voice Changer. So once you're logged in, click on the Voice Changer in the playground category and you will be brought onto this screen. So what we want you to do is you want to record your audio. So for example, I'm going to record a test sample. We have to enable our microphone and we'll start recording. Hi, my name is Tom and this is a test audio. Something really short like that. And then on the right side right here, we want to choose our voice that we're cloning. So for this example, we'll just set the default to Rachel, and then we can leave everything else default and then click generate speech. And then we'll have to wait a few seconds for it to load.
My name is Tom and this is a test audio.
And I'm not sure if you heard that or not, but it did clone my voice to Rachel's.
Record. Hi, my name is Tom and this is a test audio.
So this is a really cool feature of ElevenLabs, and it's how you change your voice into someone else's.